back with you.
Navy Swordfish, Cosford approach, depart to the west, and then report leaving the rat.
Passing southwest Swordfish. And Wilco reporting the rat Swordfish.
Continue with Cosford display on 128.650. 128.650, short still. Cosford display, short 331. Short 331, Cosford display. Hold. You'll be departing after the completion of the WASP. Hold, short 331. Check. 31005. Zone on 133.150, good day.
133.150, Navy Wing Swordfish.
runway 32, report in driver and target.
I'm still on approach, Nick, you're not dying.
QSE 1002.
Zone, Navy Wing Swordfish aircraft just left Cosford, bridge north now, 1,500 feet, 1002, requesting traffic service.
And that's lost display complete. Wasp, roger, and Wasp. Report next, runway vacated, and assume you are now going for the fuel pit.
Negative, going to shut down and getting fuel at the very end. Sorry about the 1 minute to go call, forgot.
2.
1002, go fix it.
700 feet, 1011, Navy Wing Swordfish.
Wasp, runway vacated.
Shall be 3-1. Taxi runway 24, QFE 1002, on reaching cleared for takeoff, surface wind 31003.
Taxi runway 24 on reaching clear for takeoff, Strawberry 31.
(7427) basic service 1011 and Golf Lima Golf.
Copy traffic, not sighted.
Shawbury 3-1. Free call, Shawbury stood for en route. Good day.
Good day to stood for Shawbury.
Adventure 3, Cosford approach. Are you able to join via the northwest, remain outside the RAS until you to the northwest?
Yeah, no problem. I'll continue outside the RAS until you to the north.
Adventure 3, thank you very much, sir. Details for you, runway 24, the QFE 1002. Adventure 3, just confirm your persons on board. One on board. Adventure 3, roger. Adventure 1, Cosford Airshow message.
Adventure 1 is lifting from the pleasure flying area. We're routing to Hackney Green and we'll be departing the ATZ to the west.
Adventure 1, roger, just confirm your POB.
7 POB, Adventure 1.
Adventure 1, roger.
Has left the ATZ to the west and routing to Hackney Green, changing to Hackney Green information 123.005.
Adventure 1, roger, free call, right, good day.
And Adventure 3, traffic visual. Philosophy Yankee, middle of down and 24, full stop.
Oscar Yankee, surface wind 29006, report final, gear down.
Sorry, we'll final gear down, Philosophy.
Adventure 3, Cosford, approach, I can see you approaching from the northwest now, you can resume normal hops.
Take 4 or 5 minutes and it makes up only to depart after the minute.
Oscar Juliet, Oscar Yankee, yeah, that's not a problem. Keep the engine running while you do a passenger swap as well. Just let us know when you're ready for departure, for taxi.
Roger, call it when you're ready for taxi. Thank you very much. This is Oscar.
Yankee with Marshall, you can taxi and hold short runway 24. Just confirm that's 2 QB, mate.
Affirm, now we are 2 QB and following me to Hollywood runway 24, calling on 22.
Oscar Yankee, thank you.
Adventure 1, request join.
Questioning just to the Ludlow 2005 feet, reaching towards Almere Lake, turning point request, mass penetration. 426, fifth service, 1011, Golf Charlie Delta.
Cosford approach, Adventure 1, pass your message.
Adventure 1, just confirm you're joining in your current location.
I'm going to join from my current location, but I'll route around the RAS and I'll join from the west, Adventure 1.
Adventure 1, roger. You can see on our tracker that it's tracking north quite close to the display line. If you just route further to the west, please.
We'll go, Adventure 1.
Acknowledged.
Cosford approach, Adventure 1, entering the ATZ from the west.
Adventure 1, roger. Oscar Yankee, I've got your departure details, we're ready to copy.
Ready to copy, Juliet Whiskey.
Oscar Yankee, be VFR initially to the west, and then once clear of the display area to Shorbury zone on 133.150.
Initially display heading and then after the TRA 133.150.
Oscar Yankee, read back correct.
Juliet Whiskey, Yankee, ready.
Oscar Yankee, runway 24 clear for takeoff, wind 280, 10 knots.
Clear for takeoff, copy the end of Juliet Whiskey.
Golf India Zulu, continue with Cosford ground, 135.875.
9875,
Continue compass display 128.650. LEB, continue with Cosford display 128.650.
128.650, Sally B. So display Sally B.
Sally B, Cosford display. Hold.
Holding, Sally B.
Sally B, Cosford display. Clear running and display. QFE 1002. Surface wind 29010 knots. Report 2 minutes remaining.
Clear running for display, QFE 1002, okay, Sally B. Oscar Sierra, flying out 1,700 feet and request to open my flight plan and basic service.
Roger.
Elevation 1 has left the west and reaching 8 degrees.
Central 1, roger.
1 and squawk 7426. I'm going to stay at this heading and then make a light turn on the direct to Belgium, Juliet Whiskey. From Green request join.
Adventure 3, Cosford approach, remain outside the RAT until west of Cosford and then join via the northwest.
Running outside the RAT until west and join from the northwest. Adventure 3.
Roger, visual traffic with us, Yankee. Approach, Adventure 1, request change to Hackney Green information 123.005.
Adventure 1, free call your green, good day. Negative. I tried to stay clear of all the controlled airspace. We're going to coast then coasting in from Dover to Calais. Navy wings lost.
Nice answer.
Pass on the flight line to move across the fuel enable.
Navy wings lost. Have you got a marshal with your employee staff?
haven't. If you could send one over, I'd be grateful.
Yeah, will do.
Just descending to altitude 2,000 feet now. to safety gun 13548.
That's right.
Navy Wings lost to move to the fueling bay when able.
Navy Wings lost, roger, hold.
Hold lost.
Display acknowledged.
She's running slightly behind. That would be very tight It's impossible for you to set up a minute 40 behind the platform. To the corridor or check to see if 20% with that. I need to go the whole way back to the western entrance. Thanks.
Changing to 124280 from 7000.
On your runway, just with the weight of this jet, it's the heads up I got before I left, so I'd rather not risk it. So.
Sally B, VFR West approved. Once clear of the display area, free call, Shortbury 133.150.
Roger, 3150 Shortbury, thanks for your help. See you next year.
Sally B, you're an absolute legend. Good display, Jim. 128.650.
128.650, thanks.
35.875 again, please.
What's Booker?
One Cosford display, readability 5, cleared running and display, QFE 1002, surface wind 27009 knots, report 2 minutes remaining.
Cleared running and display, local, Delta 1.
Can you just confirm you're going to route third west?
Are you able to arrange a handover to Birmingham for zone transit? Will go. Sunny Bay, thanks for your help today.
Traffic use traffic north, 2 miles, tracking south west, indicating a similar level, and that's adventure free departing. Echo Whiskey India Zulu, Cosford Airshow.
Section for the one approach.
What's that? What do you do when you leave the house like that?
Stealth 1-1.
Wheels down now.
10 man. Are they? That one happened.
Just think that's not really different.
Wind 2700.
Thanks.
Negative, we're getting it to you.
Thank you.
Wait, how am I going to get this back out? How do I get this
Cosford ground, Golf Bravo Zulu Golf Yankee.
Golf Bravo Zulu Golf Yankee. Cosford ground, pass the message.
Golf Bravo Zulu Golf Yankee, request engine start.
Golf Yankee, hold off, confirm your POB and if you've got a marshal with you.
Sorry, say again.
Request your POB and have you got a marshal at present?
It's 2 POB and no marshal at the moment.
Golf Yankee, hold off on start until marshal is present.
Roger.
I think that is...
Cosford Tower, Golf Echo with India Zulu is the whole T4 ready for departure.
Golf India Zulu, Cosford Tower, line up runway 24.
Line up runway 24, Golf India Zulu.
Cosford ground, Golf Yankee, now got a marshal at present.
Golf Yankee, roger with the marshal with you. You can start runway 24, QFE 1002.
Runway 24, 1002, Golf Yankee.
Golf Juliet Kilo also has follow me with me now.
Golf Juliet Kilo, roger with the marshal. You can start runway 24, QFE 1002.
1002 and start off approved.
Golf Bravo Zulu Golf Yankee, ready for departure.
Golf Bravo Zulu Golf Yankee, Cosford Tower, line up runway 24. Have your departure details ready?
Cosford Tower, roger. Do I just turn straight right here onto the runway?
Sir, I am unsighted to you. I want you to continue taxi on the flight line, onto the hard standing, then hang, and then turn a right.
Roger, thanks.
Golf Sierra Whiskey Echo Lima, lifting 500 out of Brookston to a private site at Warrington, about 4 miles west of Kidderminster, 2,000 feet at 1012. Do you want me to take a basic service of yourself and stay outside the restricted area, or do you want me to go to Shawbury?
Golf Echo Lima, if possible, please, sir, can you free call Shawbury Zone at 133.150 as they have overall control on the map?
Wilco will recall Shawbury, 13315, thanks.
Okay, Echo Lima, thank you very much. Golf Juliet Kilo has copied. Have your departure details, so it will be VFR to the west and then to Shawbury Zone on 133.150.
VFR to the west and then on to Shawbury Zone, Golf Juliet Kilo.
Golf Juliet Kilo, route back correct and report ready for departure.
Okay, Golf Juliet Kilo.
Cosford ground, Navy Wings Wasp at the fueling bay for start, please.
Navy Wings Wasp, Cosford Grange, have you got Marshall with you?
I've got the fueling crew.
The basic service and a map penetration when we get there.
The ATZ.
Report clear to the ATZ, Golf Yankee.
Wings Wasp, start as approved, runway 24, QFE 1002. You're looking to depart from there.
Yes, just enter the runway and then depart. I could even stay just south of the runway if you want me to.
I believe that's the plan, sir, probably from present position, but you can start and just hold and report ready for departure.
Wilco. Golf Yankee is clear of the ATZ.
Golf Yankee, roger, free call Shortbury, 133.150, cheerio.
Can I free call Hackney Green instead?
That works for me, sir, free call Hackney Green, and thank you very much, change on route.
Thanks for a great day, Golf Yankee.
Cheers.
Wasp is ready for departure to the south. Off the town neighbouring to Wasp at the fueling bay to lift and depart to the south.
Wings Wasp, Cosford Tower. Readability 5. Sir, I understand you're looking for VFR south. Are you content with a present position with a left-hand turnout onto south?
Affirmative, I can go direct south from here if you like.
Okay, your surface wind is 27012 knots. At your discretion, present position, cleared for takeoff. VFR south is approved. Report leaving the ATZ.
VFR south report leaving the ATZ. Wasp.